Okay, welcome to the session of Six Sigma Black Belt projects definition. See, we are going to discuss one project which we have done with one company. Project is assembly process improvement and optimization of safe door line assembly. Now, how we made definition of this project in accordance with our Six Sigma, we are going to discuss right now. We know in Six Sigma, very first stage is define stage. Now, we consider voice of customer in the very beginning. There are three types of customers says. One could be dissatisfier, next is satisfier, next is delighter. Dissatisfier are basic requirements of customers towards our service. Satisfier is the intermediate requirement, delighter is the delighter requirement. Now dissatisfier is a basic requirement. What was the requirement of a customer of this company? This company is supplying safes to different banks and different organizations. So this safe must carry a required factor of safety because it accommodates cash and ornaments. So that was basic requirement. What was intermediate requirement? A minimum transportation time, because the transportation insurance premium is higher than some other basic other general premium, so they were requiring this as an intermediate requirement, minimum transportation time. At the top of all these two, a customer was delighted if we fulfill this requirement of customers, the delighter requirement of customer. What was the requirement? A lead time of manufacturing could be reduced, and thus a lead time of delivery could be reduced. If it is reduced, then there would happen a minimum delivery lead time, and the insurance cost would go down. This requirement is not mandatory. However, if this requirement is fulfilled, then customer would be more delighted. We do Six Sigma projects to fulfill delighter requirements of customers. For fulfilling dissatisfier and satisfier requirements, we have lean projects. We may not go for advancement in doing the projects. Now, Kano model is this. As seen in this figure, a Kano model describes these three situations: basic, intermediate and delighter. If we fulfill basic requirement to a maximum extent, still customer may not be highly satisfied, and so on. So these three curves indicate this. Now, it was sure in the beginning of a project that customers were requiring immediate and quick delivery. Now, customers were requiring quick delivery. Also, we wanted to ensure whether there is an appropriate business available in the market for a safe. So a pie chart was generated. In pie chart, market share of genuine engineering was identified. This market share for genuine engineering in classic segment safes is 44%. So there is enough market share, and there is again enough potential to grow on a business. So this phenomena in fact gives rise to do our project. Again, there are different models in a safe. There is a Auram model, there is a CC, there is a CB model, and different other models. Among all the models, a model called Auram is in a large cell. We can see in this figure, cell in units is really very high, and for Auram cell, now a cell in units is around 2500, precisely 2528 for Auram cells. So the project is to be done for what? A project is to be done not for CC, not for CB model, because these are less in number. ARAM is maximum. So a focus was given to ARAM model. Every model had got a different assembly line. So ARAM assembly line was very appropriately chosen for doing the project. Further to this, Pareto analysis considers 80-20 principle. Now, ARAM model itself was accommodating 80% business of entire company. So this is what is the 80-20 principle. So ARAM model was emphasized. Now, benchmarking is a really good technique. In benchmarking, what was done? In benchmarking, it was observed that speed of working of workers was observed slower than other contract workers. Speed of working of workers in ARAM assembly line was observed slower. Why the difference? Because other workers on a contract basis, they work more, they get more money. So they increase their speed. Again, there is a close watch to these workers by their contractors. So they have to maintain their speed of work. The speed of work for regular workers were not closely monitored. The speed was not closely monitored. So there was a difference in speed. Now, since this benchmark led us to identify a process improvement, to need of a process improvement in a process line, in an assembly line. And with the expert opinion, it was decided that there could be possible reduction by around 15%. There could be a reduction of around 15% is possible there. Now, this 15% reduction is really possible. So, a project was considered to reduce 50% in a lead time. Now, there are different sizes of door in ARAM. There is a 26-inch model, there is a 31-inch model, there is a 41-inch model, there is a 49-inch and 61-inch model. So project is to be done for which model precisely? All the models are popular, all the sizes are popular in ARAM model. So it was observed in assembly line that the lead time was almost same for all the model, all the doors of ARAM. So once a project is done for a particular size of door, then it's applicable to each or all other door sizes. This led to define a project. For our project, what was the definition? Reducing a lead time. Lead time is a time from start to end for one product. So reducing a lead time of ARAM model safe door by 15%. It was described precisely the baseline and the target time. The baseline was 3016.6 second and the target is was 2.2570 second, 15% reduction in the time. Now this definition is crisp definition. This definition is SMART definition. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. Why specific? Because it was describing 15% reduction. Measurable. Why measurable? Because this reduction of 15% in a time can be easily measured by industrial engineering department in a company. Specific, measurable, achievable. When we set our target, then we have to analyze all the situation, we have to understand our existing scenario, and then we have to project our definition of our project in an optimal way. Should not be very pessimistic, should not be very optimistic. So in that context, every Six Sigma project is SMART, specific, measurable, achievable. Fourth is realistic. Realistic in the sense a project should tune up with the philosophy, with the mission of a company. If a company's mission is to grow more in the business, then yes, this particular definition ties really well. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound. Now, every project in a Six Sigma must get over in a specific amount of time. There's a time span considered around 3 months, 4 months, could be 2 months. Typically, black belt projects they run for around 3 months. So, in these 3 months, you must achieve a sizable increase, and you must save a lot of money. You should save cost. Every project must be defined, and after defining a project, it could be coupled to the cost of a company or revenue of a company. A definition must consist what? A definition consists reducing a lead time, increasing revenue, setting a particular dimension and adhering the dimension to a required standard. A definition could be a weight, definition could be a dimension, length, etc. A particular key measurable parameter, CTQ, critical to quality. Particular key measurable parameter must be described in a definition of every project. So we in a Sigma consultant, we regularly follow and we precisely follow this methodology for doing a project with our customers.